Good morning and welcome. Please go ahead.
Good morning, Mr. Chair and members of the committee. My name is Olivia Webb, and I am here in support of Senate Bill 5799. I work at the company iFixit in San Luis Obispo, California, which creates repair guides and provides parts and tools to regular people who would like to fix their electronic devices. We are based in California, but we are a global company, and just in 2019, over 1.3 million people in the state of Washington accessed iFixit to look for information on how to repair their devices. People want to repair their devices, but the manufacturers make it really difficult for them. They can't access repair information. It's hard to find original parts, so they either turn to third-party people like iFixit or to Chinese manufacturers, which are often of questionable quality. The manufacturers will tell you that there are issues of safety and security when it comes to repairing your own devices, but millions of people have done it using iFixit tools, and they tell us their stories every day. Before I worked at iFixit, I had very little repair knowledge, but I have successfully repaired several devices, including my sister's phone. The repair was successful, but since we didn't have an OEM part, it ended up failing anyway. So hopefully this shows you that people want to repair their devices, they want access to the information and tools, but the manufacturers are making it difficult. Thank you for your time. I'm happy to answer any questions.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.